We're given this following formula to find the present value in Excel. And so let's start by reading the problem we're given. So a company wants to invest in a project that will return $5,000 in 5 years. The annual discount rate is 8%. Now, what is the present value of this future cash flow? Essentially, what this problem is asking is this company wants to earn $5,000 in 5 years. They know they have an interest rate of 8%. So, what is the initial amount of money they have to put in year zero in order to gain $5,000 in 5 years? So, let's start off by filling in the blanks. We know that the rate is 8%, as specified in the problem. Now, the NPER is the number of periods or the time we have in which this investment will accumulate, which we know is 5 years, right? And PMT here stands for payments. So are we making any payments on a monthly basis or on a yearly basis? Now, based on this problem, no, right? So let's leave this as zero. Instead, what we're doing is we want to just give up cash up front and let that cash in year zero develop into the $5,000 in 5 years. So our future value, or what we want, is $5,000. Now, with present value, what we want to determine is how much cash we have to give initially, right? So this is where we can incorporate the Excel function. So press equals PV and just input the following rate, which we have here, and per number of periods we have here, payment, and our future value. And we also have an option to put in the type. So this means that payments are either put at the end of the period or the beginning of the period. Now, this is not relevant in our case since we're not doing or not giving any annual or monthly payments, right? Instead, we're just giving all the cash up front. So in this case, we don't have to answer this. So just leave that blank and close the bracket. Now, let's convert this into a general value. Right now, it's in an accounting value. So let's change this to a general form. And we get negative $3,402. Now, what this means is that in order to get $5,000 within 5 years, given the 8% interest rate, we must give away $3,402 and wait for that money to accumulate, to earn interest, and eventually become $5,000. Now, you might be asking, why is it negative? And that's because Excel is assuming it's money that we have to spend or give out initially, right? And so that's money we're losing. So that's why it's negative.